Moderna has agreed to supply Canada with 12 million doses of its COVID-19 vaccine that has been adapted to target the Omicron variant. The company announcing it and the Canadian government have agreed to convert 6 million doses of its original vaccine to the newer Omicron-containing bivalent version. That agreement is subject to regulatory approval by Health Canada. Ottawa will also purchase an additional 4.5 million doses of the Omicron-containing shot and move forward with the delivery of an additional 1.5 million doses of the vaccine between 2023. Joining me now is Moderna Canada's President and General Manager, Patricia Gauthier. Patricia, good morning. Glad you could be with us. So let's talk about this vaccine. It specifically targets the Omicron variant. The question on the minds of many people that they had before when the vaccine was developed so quickly is, how did you do it? How were you able to adapt the current vaccine so rapidly?
This is a great question, and I think this speaks to the strength of our mRNA platform. So what we are doing and what we've done for more than a year now is when there's a new variant of concern that comes up, we study it, and sometimes we start developing a new vaccines in case we need it. So the current vaccine that is under review by Health Canada is not the first bivalent vaccine we developed. We've developed 2 other bivalent vaccines before, and it was just not necessary to bring them to the front. So we've been learning on that, and because the platform allows us to change the code of the spike protein to adapt it to the variant of concern, we keep the same recipe for everything else, then we can quickly adapt and develop a new vaccine to continue try to stay abreast of the evolving virus.
So let's be clear, will this be just used as a booster, or will Moderna phase out the original vaccine that we've been using to target the original strain of COVID-19?
So the bivalent vaccine contains the Wuhan strain, which is the ancestral strain, so the vaccine we have right now, and it adds an Omicron strain. So it's Wuhan and Omicron in one. When we look at countries like Canada, where the vaccination rate for prime series is above 80%, we're really looking towards a booster indication for this bivalent vaccine. So our submission to Health Canada right now is for a booster dose with this bivalent vaccine.
So a lot of people said they felt lousy for a day after receiving the shot. Do you expect that with this new Omicron targeted vaccine as well?
So the safety profile is well tolerated. We've seen that it's quite comparable to the current vaccine we have in the market. And one thing we've seen in clinical trials is that the number of side effects that are reported seems to decrease over time. So when you get a 3rd shot or 4th shot, it would be, based on the clinical trial, lower than what we've seen after the 2nd shot.
A lot of people wanted to hold off on getting a 4th shot until Moderna released its latest vaccine. What's your advice to people? What should they do?
I think we need to stay up to date with our vaccinations. I would really follow public health agencies' guidelines around staying up to date. And I think that is different for each Canadian, depending on when you receive your booster and whether you contracted the virus. So I would really encourage people to stay up to date and not wait if you need to get your protection right now, because the fall is just around the corner and the pandemic is unfortunately still with us.
And last question for you this morning. If this virus mutates again, how fast can vaccine manufacturers keep up?
So we've seen right now that it takes about 60 days to bring a vaccine to clinical trials. So we can adapt quite rapidly. I would say that the beauty with the bivalent we're bringing to market right now is that it protects not only against the Wuhan strain and Omicron strain, but it has also showed protection against Delta, Beta, Gamma. So it offers broad protection. We're really hoping that with this new bivalent strategy, we can start taming the virus a little bit more, even as it evolves. But to answer your question, we could, in a few months, bring vaccines to market if it's needed.
Patricia Gauthier is the President and General Manager of Moderna Canada. Thank you so much for all that. Really appreciate it.